Hi, my name is Dr. Jacobs. I'm a doctor of physical therapy, advanced clinical nutritionist, and inventor of ASTR. ASTR tool set used to treat the entire body. They are very easy to use, ergonomically designed. The treatment typically takes a few minutes a day to release body part. It has been clinically tested and used by patients and doctors worldwide. The full set includes A1 to release superficial and deep fascia, A2 to release deeper fascia restrictions, A3 used to release scar tissue and can be used on a bigger body part, A4 used to release scar tissue in the smaller areas in the body, A5 used to release deep fascia restrictions, trigger points, and deep scar tissue. Get yours today.